Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can delete group chat on your iPhone. Please subscribe to our channel, like, and comment. Let's get started. To do this, we need to go into the messaging app. As you can see here, I have one group chat, and there are several ways to delete it. I'm going to show you all of them in this video. So the first way, we can go into the group chat itself. Then at the top in the middle, we click on, and we'll see the chat settings. Then we need to click on the very last line, delete and block this conversation. We click on that. And if we click delete and block this conversation again, that is, confirm this action, this group chat will be deleted. Well, this line will be only if you are an administrator of this group chat as well as I am. If you're an invited member, an invited conversationalist, you'll probably have a different line. It's going to say quit the chat. Let's say if you don't want to receive any more messages from this chat room. That was the first method. And the second one, we can just easily swipe to the left side, our chat room. Here we'll get this red sign. And then at the bottom we confirm what we're doing. And we click on it. Hit delete. As we can see, our group chat has been deleted. But if it's not here, that doesn't mean we've completely deleted our chat. We go to edit. Then we select the last line, show recently deleted. And we see that we have deleted messages. In order to delete them permanently, we click the check mark. Then we press the word delete. We confirm our actions. And as you can see, we now have no deleted chats. Our group chat has been completely deleted from our iPhone. This is the simple way to delete group chat on your iPhone. I hope this video was useful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Put likes, write comments. See you soon.